Alright, so on starting level and higher level questions on formulas and chemical equations, in the first problem, we are given this equation. Calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And we are given 10.01 grams of calcium carbonate. And we are asked to find how much calcium oxide is formed with this amount. So the first step is to convert this into moles. So you take the 10.01 grams and you divide by the molar mass. Now the molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100.09 grams per mole. So grams cancel out and you're left with 0.100 mole. And always make sure that you have moles written to 3 significant figures. It just keeps things easier. Anyway, at this point, you would normally multiply it by the mole ratio, but as you can see in this equation, this is a 1:1:1 equation, so you don't really need to worry about mole ratios. You could just write it as 0.100 moles of calcium oxide. And now, since you have the mole of calcium oxide, you can convert this to grams. And to do that, you just need to multiply it by the molar mass, which is 56.08 grams per mole. And so moles cancel out, and you are left with 5.61 grams of calcium oxide. And it's only 5.61 because with significant figures, when you multiply, you keep the least amount of significant figures, which here is 3, so we have 3 significant figures, and this should be your answer.